In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Google Sheets data to Airtable. We'll connect your Google Sheets account to Airtable and kick off the import so your spreadsheet rows can live inside your base. I'll keep it simple and call out what to click along the way, plus a few tips so nothing trips you up. First, head to airtable.com in your browser. Once you're in, open the app or base where you want the data to land. On that page, look for the option labeled Add or Import. This is Airtable's shortcut for bringing information in from outside sources. Click it, then choose Add from other sources to see the available connectors. From the list, select Google Sheets. This tells Airtable you want to bring in data from a spreadsheet stored in your Google Drive. Next, Airtable will ask which Google Sheets account it should use. If your account is already connected, you'll see it here and can select it. To review or change what's connected, click Manage Connected Accounts. This opens Airtable's connection settings so you can confirm what's linked. You'll see your Google Sheets connection in that list. If you need to link a different account, click the plus button labeled Connect New Account, then pick Google Sheets again from the connector choices. That starts a quick secure sign-in with Google so Airtable can read the files you approve. A new Google window will appear. Choose the Google account that owns the spreadsheet you plan to import. After selecting it, click Continue to grant access. Google may show a second confirmation screen. Click Continue again to finish authorizing. You're done with the connection step, and Airtable will bring you back to the import flow. From here, you're ready to pull in your sheet. A couple of tips to make the import clean and accurate. Make sure the first row of your Google Sheet contains clear column headers, and double-check that dates, numbers, and checkboxes are formatted consistently. If you don't immediately see the account you just connected, refresh the page and try the add or import flow once more. With the connection in place, you can confidently move your spreadsheet data into Airtable and keep everything organized in one place. That's the full setup for connecting Google Sheets to Airtable and starting an import. Simple, repeatable, and secure. Follow these clicks whenever you need to bring updated spreadsheet data into your base, and you'll save time while keeping your records clean and consistent.